Oh, anyway, this is the air intake part. I've turned a piece down just there, so that that's the oil intake part. This is the air intake part, this one here, and that's going to sit inside the pipe, sort of like that, so the air coming out there will help suck the oil in, and that in turn is going to fit. That's going to go in. That's going to go in inside there, and obviously that's going to go inside there. These spacers will help keep it. Will keep it dead central. It's got holes in it now. So that's to just allow some more air flow through if it helps, and I'm sure it will. So that's it for now. And there's the finished item. Well, you can see in there, but there's the jet in there. Obviously, this end goes into the furnace. The oil through that pipe, and the air through that pipe. Here we go then, we're about to see what's happened with it. Nick's preparing himself. As you can see, that's bloody hot. Oh shit! You picked the wrong end! Don't worry about it, yeah. You use the wrong end. I don't know whether you can hear me over this noise, but well, I'm roasting and I'm about 2 foot away from it. You don't need to go to a sauna. I think I'll charge people to come and stand near this. Gee. Don't get your flux. Flux. You done it? Oh. Well, I don't know how long I'll be able to stand here. My hand's getting red hot. And the phone is. I'm going to stand back a bit. So just knock the hose pipe off. It's cooled down quite a lot now, that hasn't it? You're going to put the flux in now and then reclose the lid, I think. Flux is inside that aluminium foil and it's pushing it under now so it dissolves, but it's trying to. There it goes, it's dissolving now. I'm just going to wait for it to warm back up again. Right, I'll pause the video for a minute. Well, here we go then. Sounds like a bloody Concorde, bloody plane this does. Sorry. There we go. Right, what he's going to do now is just going to play about and increase the fuel, and it'll show you what happens, if it's going to work. Has it gone out? So if you want to fry a sausage or anything, or do yourself some toast, you can do it on this machine. Oh Jesus, watch me back door, Nick.